Welcome back to Smooth Auto Vibes, your go-to channel for the latest in luxury, performance, and automotive innovation. Today, we're diving into one of the most sophisticated sedans of 2025, the Genesis G90. This full-size luxury flagship has been making waves with its bold design, cutting-edge technology, and impressive performance. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 G90 a true competitor in the luxury sedan segment. Right off the bat, the Genesis G90 commands attention with its elegant yet aggressive styling. The signature crest grille is flanked by sleek, two-line LED headlights that stretch across the front, giving it a futuristic and confident look. The long, sculpted hood and seamless body lines contribute to an ultra-luxurious presence that rivals even the top European brands. From the side, the G90 exudes sophistication with its elongated wheelbase and coupe-like silhouette. The flush door handles automatically extend as you approach, adding a touch of modernity. The 20-inch multi-spoke wheels complete the premium aesthetic, ensuring this sedan stands out in any setting. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that blends luxury with state-of-the-art technology. Genesis has taken craftsmanship to the next level with Nappa leather, open-pore wood trims, and metal accents, creating a first-class experience for both drivers and passengers. The 2025 G90 features a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster and a matching 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen. The interface is seamless, with intuitive controls, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium Lexicon sound system that delivers an immersive audio experience. Plus, the rear passengers aren't left out. They get their own entertainment screens and climate controls for a true executive feel. And speaking of luxury, the rear seats in the G90 are nothing short of first class. With available power reclining, ventilation, and massage functions, passengers can enjoy ultimate comfort on long journeys. The cabin remains whisper quiet, thanks to active noise cancellation and laminated glass, creating a serene driving experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Genesis G90 offers a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, delivering 375 horsepower, or an upgraded version with an electric supercharger pushing out 409 horsepower. Paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system and an air suspension that adapts to road conditions, the G90 provides a smooth yet powerful ride. Genesis has also prioritized safety, equipping the G90 with an extensive suite of driver assist features. From highway driving assist to remote smart parking and a 360-degree camera, this sedan makes driving effortless and stress-free. The 2025 Genesis G90 is a statement of luxury, innovation, and performance. Whether you're looking for a premium daily driver or a comfortable long-distance cruiser, this sedan delivers on all fronts. What do you think about the new G90? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more premium car content. This is Smooth Auto Vibes, and we'll see you in the next one.